Welcome you all students in NIOS video course. Today we are going to learn data entry operation for class 12, lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is formatting documents. What does mean by formatting documents? Means making of documents. Part 2. As you see picture over here, we will explain all the things in this picture in detail further. Now, focus on the small part which is written in bold. First is connected by B. What does it mean? You want text to be in bold size. Second is italic. Something is written in very normal way, but you want it to be look fancy. You can turn it into italic by clicking on it. Third is underline. You wrote something and you feel something in between is very important. You can underline it by pressing number 3. The text will get automatically underlined. Number 4. Text highlighter. After finishing the text, you want to highlight the text whatever you have written. For example, in book, when you read a text, you find something important, you mark it with the highlighter. Similarly, it can done on computer by clicking on number 4. Now, fifth, strike through. When you see something wrong or anything which has finished but you want to mark line on it. So you can do it by clicking on number 5th. For example, you have a list of participants who are running. You can mark the participant who have run by clicking on the number 5th. Point 6. Subscript. 7th. Subscript X2. It is connected with the text. I have explained number 1 to 7. Now, before starting the text, you will see this font. There are different kinds of font. Big font, small font, bold font, etc. It is connected with the size of font. Font size. Where you can find it it is beside the font, where you can decide the font size. Whatever is suitable for you, you can choose the desired number of the size. Text highlighter color. Where you can find it? When you open the Word document, you can find it below the font and font size. You can choose whatever color you like and highlight the text through dragging it from the point where you want to highlight till the point where you want to stop. Font color. As you can see in picture, it is beside the text highlighter. You can change the color of the font in whatever color you want. Text will change in the desired color. Explain spellings and grammatical features. When you feel there is something grammatical mistake in your text, how you can find it? Firstly, you can see the last tab on the Word document, that is Review. You have to click on it. Afterwards, second, click Spelling and Grammar. Third, click the suggested word that is correct. The errored word can be displayed in the red color. You can change the word by clicking on the suggested word. Last, click Change. The word will automatically change and it will get saved. As you all know, spelling text, if some word has mistaken, will appear in red. First, Word automatically checks your document for spelling. You have seen a blue line comes under your text when you use wrong word. If there is a little bit mistake in word, a blue line will appear under your text. Second, red wavy line. When the word is wrong or the spelling will incorrect, red wavy line will appear under the text. Third, green wavy line. When the text have some grammatical error, green wavy line will appear in the text. In the text, if the word is wrong or the spelling is incorrect, the red wavy line will appear under your text. In the mouse, on the right hand side, it will on the right hand side, in the mouse you have to click on the right hand side and the suggested word will appear and you have to click on the suggested word, so the correct word will get in the text. Next, in a text, maybe you have to follow the same pattern given by someone else, and the text you will written over there will show a red line on a particular word. What you can do is, on the mouse you can add the desired, click on the mouse and you can add the desired word in your dictionary. So red line will get removed and will not appear again and again. The same word which has been mentioned by the desktop in a red wavy line, you can add that word in your dictionary, so it will not show again and again. So in future, whenever you use that word, computer will not show any red wavy line over the same word again. Deleting text. In a text, you read a text and find some mistake over there, you want to delete the text. On the keyboard, the backspace or delete keys can be used to delete the particular line, sentence or the word. Or you can click on the right hand side of the mouse and you can also click the delete option. As you can see there in picture, maybe font size, font type you want to get in deep. By clicking on the small icon on the desired tab, the detailed tab will get opened. Similarly, with the tab beside font style or size, the detailed version of the desired thing will appear on your screen. You will see how you can change the font style, size, or you can compress your data, or you can use line spacing option. Paragraph format. You all want the text maybe on left side, right side, or in the middle. You can see there are 4 options, that is, left align means the text will appear on the left side. First is, you can click on the mouse and then click on the left side. The text will get appear on the left. Similarly, the center align will appear your text in center. After clicking on the desired text, you can click on the center align and will text get appear in center align. Left align and center align are different from each other. Similarly, firstly we have read about left align. Now we are going to read about right align. It is connected with left align. Last, justify. You don't want a text into right, left or center. It four parts are different from each other. First is left align, second is center line, third is right align, fourth is justify. Suppose you have two different kind of text. How you will differentiate between them both? You can choose to start one text from the starting and other from leaving little bit in starting. From the ruler given on the screen, or you can move your text in left indent or right indent. It is possible to do. Line spacing. As you can see, there are different kind of line spacing between the three of them, which are shown in the picture. They have different kinds of line spacing between them. You can choose desired line spacing between your text from the options given on the screen of your computer. Border and shading. For example, you have written a text but you want to make it in a border. You can choose the type of border you want for your text. It is termed as border and shading. You can choose the desired border. Different types of borders will appear in this tab. If you want different kinds of lines, you can click on the last option, borders and shading. This kind of text will appear on your screen. You can see all the parts, all the borders are of different type. You can choose the desired border you want. Use page formatting. You all may use different kind of pages, but the page you want in your layout is on the third tab, that is termed as page layout. Page margin. You can see different kinds of margins are available on the option. You can choose whatever you want. As you can see in the given picture, there is a margin on each side of the text. Maybe you will get it print and see there is a no margin in between. So you can get back and put margin and see how it look like and print it again. Next is orientation. How you want your text to be, in portrait form or in landscape form. You can choose the desired style. Bullets. You all see different kinds of requirement we have. Sometimes we need a specific numbers, like to prove our points, like 1 2 3 4, or sometimes we want a marker in starting. You can choose whatever you like according to your need. Maybe a star, maybe a circle, maybe a right, or in the next column there will be a counting A, B, C, or counting in Roman numbers. You can choose according to your style. Header and footer. When you will go to the doctor, you see the prescription of the doctor. In starting, it has a header where name of the clinic, phone number, etc. have written, and in the last you can see address or any other important things written over there. It is called footer. When you click on the header or footer, this column will appear and you have to choose the desired context, such as header and footer for phone number, addresses, and etc. So there will be no confusion while checking it out. In the same column of header and footer, you all see the page number written over the page. In last, in header you will see company name, number, phone number, and in last you will see website of the desired company, phone number. Header and footer are different things. When you open the Word, you will see a second tab, that is Insert, in which you can find header, footer, you can do it and practice it by yourself and get to know. Previously, I have explained header, footer, now page number. You all have typed the thing and get it print out. It is important to mark the page number in the desired place. You can choose it on right, left, or center. So when it will get print out, there will be no confusion. It is important to put page numbers on the paper. Thank you.